In this video, how to fix cannot log into GeForce Experience fix login error. So for this, you need to go to services and need to scroll down and check for nvidia. So here we have three services. So go to properties and startup type should be in automatic and service status should be in running. So make sure the three services settings should be in same mode or not. If it's disabled, you need to click automatic. So startup type should be in automatic and service status should be in running mode. So do it for nvidia display container, nvidia frame view and nvidia local system. Do it for three things, and once doing after, you need to restart it, right click it and restart it. So do it for three things, and after completing this, you need to close it. And now you need to go for settings. In this, you need to go for app settings and go to installed app and scroll down and check for nvidia applications. So here you can see the nvidia controller, nvidia applications, all are the nvidia geforces. So some of the windows you have a right side three dot icon, it can be modified. So check whether it's modified or not. Click the three dot icon and check. If it's not modified, no problem, you can go with other way. Go to system settings and go to display settings and scroll down. You have seen the graphics is that. Click the graphics settings and here you can see the advanced graphics settings. Make sure it should be in turn on mode. The both settings should be in turn on mode. And go to network and internet and scroll down and go for advanced network settings and go to network reset and click the reset now. Once you click the reset, it will clearly resetting the network settings. So after resetting, you need to update the nvidia app and nvidia geforce. So make sure it should be in up to date. And after updating, you need to restart your pc to the make in effectiveness. So after that, click restart. Thank you.